Fermi is about the old ways of doing things, and I like to think of it as like there's an English term where it says it's good to do common things uncommonly well. The dishes we are serving is not like some too crazy unusual dishes, but we are the only place doing the original ways, like no poison, no bullshit. So I start to read the history and realize, oh, it's World War II, it's changed everything. So before that, pasta would always be made from freshly ground wheat. You can keep the wheat in the grain for a long time, it's fine. But then once you grind it, you need to eat it, otherwise it will go bad. The only way to make it so that you can put that wheat in a box, on a ship, on a shelf for 3 years, is to destroy all the nutrition, to rip out everything that's valuable, to destroy everything, and just have an empty sugar that you can put in a bag and forget about. And no insects, no bugs, they're not interested because we've destroyed the food so much that even the bugs don't want it. And then that's what we eat. It's not a good idea, I think. What's important is that it's freshly ground. It makes all the difference. Like being ground on that day is everything. Like this wheat, when we grind it, it's only okay to use for a few hours. We can't even keep it till, if we grind it today, we can't keep it till tomorrow. Because there's so much nutrition in it that all the bacteria in the air is like, wow, that's amazing, and it will go bad quickly in a few hours. What I'm saying is that it being fancy and it being fine is not the point. I think people are kind of growing to understand what's important in a different way than we used to.